Introduced as a compact electric SUV, the 2023 EQB 4MATIC upholds Mercedes' reputation for combining luxury with technological innovation. It's designed to accommodate either 5 or 7 passengers, depending on the configuration, making it a versatile choice for singles, couples, and families alike. With this latest model, Mercedes takes a significant stride in the electric vehicle market, reflecting their commitment to sustainable yet luxurious mobility. Under its Modernistic Bodywork, the EQB 300 is energized by a potent 70 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. This powerful energy source provides a substantial EPA-estimated range of up to 243 miles, facilitating extended driving excursions and significantly reducing range anxiety. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive underscores the vehicle's performance, generating 225 horsepower and 288 pound-feet of torque. 2 trims levels are available: Premium and Pinnacle. The Premium variant, despite being the entry-level model, is well equipped with luxurious features. Its cabin flaunts a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster display and a similar-sized touchscreen multimedia display, delivering a high-tech feel. Additionally, Mercedes-Benz navigation with electric intelligence is a standard feature, transforming journeys into a seamless, intuitive experience. The ambient lighting in the Premium trim is not to be overlooked. A selection of 64 LED colors are at the disposal of occupants, each accentuated by illuminated vents. This adds a dynamic, customizable dimension to the cabin ambience. Ensuring visibility is never compromised, the adaptive high beam assist is another key feature of the Premium trim, improving nighttime driving safety by adjusting the headlight beam in response to oncoming traffic. Upgrading to the Pinnacle trim offers an even more luxurious experience. It adds a panoramic sunroof, allowing natural light to flood the cabin and creating a sense of spaciousness. Furthermore, to enhance comfort during different weather conditions, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, allowing occupants to adjust the temperature according to their preferences. For music enthusiasts, the Pinnacle trim also includes a Burmester sound system, renowned for its exceptional acoustic quality. This transforms the EQB into a mobile concert hall, providing an immersive listening experience on every journey. Additionally, a wireless charging pad is added, making it simple and convenient to keep electronic devices topped up during trips. Priced at a starting MSRP of $46,800, it delivers a unique blend of style, space, and technological prowess that truly encapsulates the spirit of Mercedes-Benz. It is a testament to how far electric SUVs have come, offering an extensive range, ample power, and a suite of impressive features that contribute to a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Among the remarkable attributes of the EQB, perhaps the most compelling is its approach to sustainable mobility without compromising on luxury. Mercedes' devotion to technological innovation and sustainability is evident, as this vehicle skillfully merges eco-friendly driving with the brand's trademark lavishness. In conclusion, the EQB is an excellent choice for those in the market for a stylish, spacious, and feature-packed electric SUV. Its all-electric powertrain, exceptional range, and rich list of amenities perfectly blend utility with sophistication, making it a worthy contender in the increasingly competitive electric vehicle market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.